In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a title in Google Docs. This is a very simple formatting task, but it can make your document look much cleaner and more professional. If your title is currently aligned to the left and you want it to sit neatly in the middle of the page, Google Docs gives you a quick way to do that right from the toolbar. To begin, highlight the title text. You want to select only the words that make up your title, so click and drag your cursor across the title until the text is fully selected. This is important because Google Docs will apply the alignment change to whatever text is currently highlighted. If nothing is selected, the formatting may affect the paragraph where your cursor is placed instead. Once your title is highlighted, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs window. Look for the Align button. It usually appears as a small icon with horizontal lines, and it controls how your text is positioned across the page. This is the tool you'll use whenever you want text aligned to the left, centered, aligned to the right, or justified. Click the Align button on the toolbar. After you click it, Google Docs will apply the alignment setting to your selected title text. In this case, your title will move from the left side of the page to the center. You should see the text shift immediately, which lets you know the change has been applied. Once that happens, your title is now centered on the page. That's all you need to do. It's a quick edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your document looks, especially for essays, reports, letters, or school assignments. As a small tip, if the title doesn't move the way you expected, double check that the title text was actually highlighted before clicking the alignment option. Also, make sure you're working on the title line itself and not a different section of the document. A centered title should be visually balanced and easy to spot at the top of the page. And that's it. You've successfully centered a title in Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you format your document more confidently.